Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is the freebie. It's a page very Easter themed, because in March I'm giving you quite a lot of Easter papers. Now this page here, it belongs to my VIP lounge subscription papers for the month of March. In case you are new to my channel, my VIP lounge membership is just a monthly subscription and I offer on my website, where every month you get lots of goodies sent that you guys can download from my website through a link that I will send you. Okay, so you get digital papers, boxes, tags, etc, etc. So today this is the freebie, and let me showcase everything that you get for the month of March. The main collection that you get for the month of March is called the Vintage Portrait Society. So it's quite a lot of vintage theme throughout. So the first page is a collection of lovely characters from the Victorian, could be Edwardian society, and the man dressing beautiful, so the women got hats, etc. So this is black and white. Second page has got some tags with like numbers that you guys can fussy cut. Third page, you got same little tags and numbers in a smaller format, and some tickets. Another page with similar characters but in sepia color. As you can see, I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Yeah, it does. And then you've got some more vintage numbers. These are slightly bigger, so I wanted to give you a couple of options in sizes. They will make super cute buttons, so do a project with that. And then the last page is this one, where you've got more numbers, more tickets, and a little cinema tickets in there. Okay. Every month you also get a collection of bookmarks, which you can use them as tags. And in this month, this is the collection, is 4 little tags / bookmarks, and you got, I don't know if you can see them, you've got like butterflies and fairy dust, and they all feature like little tea mug. And again, I wanted to keep it all like vintage feel. And every month my VIP members get a 3D letter gift box. We nearly finished the alphabet, so we are on letter W, and then after the alphabet we will do the numbers. So I've got the 0 till 9. Okay, so that will make all the gift box for numbers, but this month is letter W. So you have an assembly instruction sheet where you can see where all the tabs go, and you get 2 sheets. So the first one is this one here. When you get the front of the letter and all the tabs, you print this on a little thicker cardstock, so your 3D letters will stay hard and strong. And because I had this space here, I put some flowers just to fill up the spaces. It's an additional decoration that you guys can use. You can either paint it or color it and then fussy cut it, or you can put it on top of that. But these flowers here are the ones that are in the letter. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, so if I zoom in, you can probably see it. Okay, so it's all coordinated. And then the back of the letter, which is this one here, so this will be the reverse of the letter. And then again, because I had quite a lot of space, I gave you an extra gift, which is a pillow box. But let me show you what the letters looks like when it's done up. Okay, that's done. So this is what the pillow box looks like when it's done up, and it's super cute. It's fairly big size, the same size as my hand. And then you can leave it like that, or you can further decorate it. And then this is letter W, and of course, as all my letters stand up on their own. Okay, let me show you all the alphabet. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different, depends on the month. that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S, lovely like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V, and then letter W. Also, guys, every month you will receive a magazine on a PDF format. I've got like a portfolio of different sort of styles magazines. So this month you will get the British Vogue magazine. Of course, it's a past edition. So this one here has 606 pages. So you've got loads of pages. You can either, of course, read on your computer, on your iPad. Of course, it's a PDF, so it's easy to read. Or also you can print any images that you want. And this is great if you do like art journaling or journaling in general. So you can print this picture. If you play with jelly print, you can make your own background. Again, very interactive. These magazines, of course, as I said, you can read them, and also you can print the pages that you want and create lovely craft with them. Last but not least, each month you get a gift from me. And this month is another collection. It's quite large. It's called Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes. I actually give you a rhyme as well. So the first page, which you can use it as wrapping paper as well if you want, is this one here. Now, couple of ideas, couple of tips. You can use this as just one page. Also, you can cut them and create some little washi tapes. Okay, so here you can just cut where the ducks are, and then you can use like a blue strip with the flowers, completely up to you. Second page is a collection of embellishments. I know how much you guys like these doilies, so I thought, of course, I have to give it another doily. So it's got 9 little Easter eggs with a little bunny. They're all floral. A page with some more eggs that you guys can fussy cut, and also you can put some gems. I got these little pearls here. They are adhesive pearls, and I think they're going to look really cool in them. So again, if you can cut them and use them as a Easter decoration, you can just simply hang them. If you print them on cardstock and then just put a little hole, and there you go. Then I gave you a black and white page, and I thought you can just simply like color them. Another page. Now, those 2 pages here, if you print them on vellum, you can actually make some 3D lantern, just put an electric little tea light in, or you can use them, of course, as a decoration to like do like a gift box. And maybe if you do print them on vellum, that can be a lid, so you can kind of see through. Just a couple of more ideas and little tips, but there you go. So you've got some bunnies, some are circular shaped, some is more like this sort of like Moroccan style, and the last 2 are slightly bigger. And again, the thoughts behind it, that you can use this as a hanging decoration. Okay, so your Easter is sorted. Okay guys, so you saw my VIP lounge papers. Going back to this freebie, as usual guys, how do you get this? As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters, shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you've got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc., etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Okay, these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name on it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP Lounge. My VIP Lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're gonna move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 a month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. Okay, so you can pay monthly, or you can have one payment on the yearly, where is £20 a year. Okay, so you just pay once. On this, you pay monthly. On this, you only pay once. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members, and I really appreciate every single one of you. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay, guys, you saw everything. You saw my VIP Lounge membership. You see what you get every month. You also seen how to get all my freebies. Join my Facebook group, because it's a very interactive community. So you guys share lots of projects and I share mine, and we all kind of like take inspiration from one another. So I would truly, truly appreciate if you join my VIP membership. There are hundreds of you, which I'm very, very proud and very, very happy about it. And the feedback about the subscription is amazing. Also, on my website, you can see what the other crafter said about the VIP Lounge. That is really well worth it. I don't know nowadays what you get with £2, but £2 give you lots of goodies to craft. And yeah, support your mental health as well. Right, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this freebie. It really supports my journey here on YouTube, because it helps me create more free content for every single one of you. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.